YouTube video script for your channel, the Auto Ride, covering a new next-generation car that's just been officially unveiled. The script avoids using the word 2026 and focuses on a polished, engaging narrative with a professional tone. Intro music plus channel logo animation. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Ride, your ultimate destination for the latest updates, reviews, and insights from the world of automobiles. If you're passionate about cars, technology, and design, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update from the Auto Ride. Today, we're diving into the official unveiling of a brand new next-generation model that's set to redefine what we expect from a modern sedan. Packed with new technology, design elements that demand attention, and performance enhancements that promise a thrilling drive, this is a car that deserves every bit of the spotlight. So buckle up, because we're about to take a closer look at everything you need to know. Scene transition, unveiling and first impressions. After months of teasers, spy shots, and speculations, the wraps have finally come off. The new model has officially been unveiled, and it's clear from the first glance, this isn't just an upgrade, it's a transformation. The silhouette remains familiar, but that's where the similarities end. The designers have taken bold steps to create a sharper, more sculpted body that screams sophistication. The front fascia is aggressive yet balanced, featuring a newly designed grille that seamlessly integrates with the LED headlamp cluster. This isn't just about looks, it's aerodynamically refined to reduce drag and improve efficiency. The rear has also been completely reworked. Sleek tail lamps connected by a full-width LED light bar give it a wide, planted look. The overall profile is sporty, and you can tell this car is targeting a more youthful, dynamic audience. Scene transition, interior and features. Step inside, and the cabin welcomes you with a level of refinement that's usually reserved for premium segments. The dashboard is clean and driver-focused, with a large dual-screen layout that merges the instrument cluster and infotainment system into one continuous panel. Touch-sensitive controls replace traditional buttons, giving the center console a minimal, high-tech appearance. Ambient lighting wraps around the cabin, customizable in multiple colors to suit your mood or driving style. One of the most exciting updates is the integration of the new infotainment system. It supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, with over-the-air updates ensuring the system stays fresh and current. A premium sound system, multi-zone climate control, wireless charging pad, and ventilated seats are all part of the package. In terms of space, rear seat comfort has received particular attention. With improved legroom, headroom, and premium upholstery, long drives will be more comfortable than ever before. Scene transition, performance and engine options. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. This next-gen model is being offered with multiple powertrain options, catering to both performance enthusiasts and efficiency-focused drivers. The highlight is a new turbo petrol engine that delivers strong mid-range punch and impressive top-end performance, making highway cruising a breeze. For those looking for a more relaxed driving experience, a naturally aspirated petrol engine is also available. Both engines are mated to refined transmission options, the smooth shifting manual and an advanced automatic gearbox. What's more, the suspension has been retuned for better ride comfort without compromising handling. Whether you're navigating city traffic or taking on winding roads, this car maintains a confident composure. Fuel efficiency figures are also promising, thanks to a lighter chassis and improved engine tuning. Drivers can expect a good balance between performance and mileage, which is always a winning combination. Scene transition, safety and driver assist tech. When it comes to safety, this car raises the bar in its segment. It comes equipped with 6 airbags as standard, electronic stability control, hill assist, and a 360-degree camera for easier parking and maneuvering. But that's not all. Advanced driver assistance systems, or ADAS, have made their way into this model. Features like lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning, and autonomous emergency braking bring a level of safety that's typically seen in higher-end vehicles. All of this is aimed at making your driving experience not only safer but also more confident and comfortable. Scene transition, variants and expected pricing. The car will be available in multiple variants, giving buyers plenty of flexibility based on their preferences and budget. From a well-equipped entry-level trim to a feature-loaded top-end variant, there's something for everyone. While the official pricing will vary by region and variant, initial estimates suggest a very competitive price point. This is especially impressive considering the technology and premium features being offered. Industry experts believe this model could set a new benchmark in the midsize sedan category, not just in terms of value but also in design, innovation, and driving dynamics. Scene transition, final thoughts. So, what's our take on the new next-generation sedan? It's clear that the manufacturer has listened to its customers and addressed almost every area that needed improvement. From bolder styling and smarter interiors to better performance and cutting-edge safety tech, this car is ready to challenge the best in its class. Whether you're a young professional looking for a stylish daily driver or a family-oriented buyer who values comfort and safety, this model checks all the right boxes. If you've been waiting for a sedan that blends elegance with modern tech and everyday practicality, this might just be the perfect time to consider an upgrade. Outro. Music fades in. That's it for today's deep dive. What do you think of the new next-generation model? Are you impressed with the design? Do the features live up to your expectations? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing from you. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow car enthusiasts, and of course, subscribe to the Auto Ride for more in-depth reviews, launch updates, and everything auto. Thanks for watching, and until next time, drive safe, stay curious, and keep riding with style. Outro music plus end screen with subscribe and video suggestions. Let me know if you'd like to adapt this for a specific car brand or include a voiceover style narration format.